Okay, this is a little preface as to what this video is about. My son had hiccups, and so the wifey was looking for a scary video on YouTube, and they found White Boy's video watching Slender. I'm not exploiting my kid or nothing like that. It's just a reaction video. I thought it was funny, and I thought I'd post it. And Chillin' Dylan hasn't been online since we did a double commentary about a year ago. Anyways, I hope you enjoy. It's funny.
Oh man cries. Does it say that?
I have to run now, like when I'm in the kitchen taking like a, not a morning pee, but middle of the night pee. Like I got these big. There's nothing here.
It's a noise.
Why were you there?
That man is crying.